Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Everdawn, there lived a young princess named Isabella. Everdawn was a land where shimmering crystals held the key to all magic, and the heart of the kingdom, the crystal of unity, glowed with the power to bring harmony and joy to the entire realm. Isabella, with her sparkling eyes and adventurous spirit, had a special connection with the crystals. She could hear their soft hum and feel their gentle vibrations. The people of Everdawn adored their princess, believing she was destined for a great purpose. One day, a shadowy figure known as the Enchanter of Despair cast a wicked spell on the Crystal of Unity, shrouding Everdawn in darkness. The once bright crystals turned dull, and the kingdom fell into disarray. The people grew sad, and laughter became a distant memory. Isabella, feeling the sorrow that gripped her kingdom, knew she had to embark on a quest to save Everdawn. Guided by a talking crystal named Lumina, she set out on a journey to find the elusive Crystal of Renewal, the only gem capable of breaking the Enchanter's curse. As Isabella ventured through enchanted forests and crossed treacherous mountains, she encountered magical creatures who joined her quest. A playful sprite named Sparkle, a wise old owl named Umbra, and a gentle giant named Chiton became her loyal companions. Their journey was not without challenges. They faced riddles from mischievous fairies, crossed a shimmering lake guarded by mermaids, and outsmarted the enchanter's cunning traps. But Isabella's courage and the unwavering bond with her newfound friends led them closer to the Crystal of Renewal. At the heart of the enchanted meadow, the group discovered the crystal, guarded by the mythical Guardian of Light. The Guardian tested Isabella's pure heart and, satisfied with her selfless spirit, bestowed upon her the Crystal of Renewal. With the crystal in hand, Isabella raced back to Everdawn, her companions by her side. The Crystal of Renewal's radiant glow pierced through the darkness, breaking the enchanter's spell. The kingdom erupted in cheers, and the crystals regained their vibrant colors. Isabella, now known as Princess Isabella the Brave, ruled Everdawn with wisdom and kindness, ensuring the crystal's magic was used for the well-being of all. The kingdom flourished, and laughter echoed once again through its magical landscapes. And so, in the kingdom of Everdawn, the tale of Princess Isabella and the Crystal Heart became a cherished story, reminding everyone that the power of unity, courage, and friendship could overcome even the darkest of enchantments.